Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of cleaning your craft stuff in inexpensive way. So आज मैं ये दोनों boxes clean करने वाली हूँ where I'm stocking all this wooden shapes, MDF cutouts and chipboard shapes. Now most of these are purchased from different stores, some in Oman in India. और आप देख सकते हैं ये boxes कितने messy हैं, so it is very important to clean them because जब मैं कोई project बनाती हूँ बहुत difficult हो जाता है to find a particular shape. I am going to sort out these shapes on the basis of their pattern, theme, texture, or size. So, all these things I'll keep in mind while sorting them out. So आप देख सकते हैं this is how I have sorted all chipboard shapes and wooden shapes. अब मैं इनको बस different sections में डाल दूँ. दूसरा box है इसमें most of the pieces are packed and unused, so I will be keeping them as it is. So finally आज ये दो boxes भी clean हो गए. I'm so happy, they are so well organized and sorted. So let's see in the next video what craft supplies I'm going to